Hello everyone, this is Nikhila Tippannawar from Aryan College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Today we are going to learn extraction of metals. Metallurgy, it is the process of commercial extraction of metals from their ores, is known as metallurgy. There are different methods used for extraction of metals. Those are pyrometallurgy, hydrometallurgy and electrometallurgy. Extraction of metals. Most metals are found in Earth's crust in the form of their salts, such as carbonates, sulfates, sulfides, and oxides. A few metals are non-reactive and occur in the free state in the Earth's crust. For example, silver, gold, platinum. What is meant by mineral? A naturally occurring substance found in the Earth's crust containing inorganic salts, solids, siliceous matter, etc. is called as mineral. The mineral which contain high percentage of the metal and from which the metal can be extracted is called as ore. These are the list of minerals and ores of some of the transition metals. Iron is obtained from hematite ore, copper from chalcopyrite ore or chalcocite ore, and zinc from zinc blende. As you all know, metallurgy, it is a commercial extraction of metal from their ore. The different methods used are depend on the nature of the metal and its ore. Methods used are commonly pyrometallurgy, hydrometallurgy and electrometallurgy. What is meant by pyrometallurgy? A process in which the ore is reduced to metal at high temperature using reducing agents like carbon, hydrogen, aluminium is known as pyrometallurgy. Hydrometallurgy, the process of extracting metals from aqueous solution of their salts using suitable reducing agent is known as hydrometallurgy. And electrometallurgy, it is the process in which metal is extracted by electrolytic reduction of molten metallic compound. What do you mean by concentration? After mining the ore from the Earth's crust, it is subjected to concentration. In this step, impurities termed as gangue are removed from the ore and the ore gets concentrated. The sand, mud and other unwanted impurities which remain mixed with the ore deposits are called as gangue. During the process of concentration, the ore is separated from the gangue. Material using different methods such as washing, hydraulic classification, magnetic separation, froth flotation, etc. are used in the process of concentration. The method chosen for concentration depends upon the nature of the ore. Thank you.